IELTS vocabulary, understanding and using adieu. Mastering sophisticated vocabulary is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS, and today we're focusing on a word that exudes elegance and formality: adieu. Word type. Adieu functions as both a noun and an interjection in English. Meaning, as a noun, adieu refers to an act of bidding farewell or a goodbye, especially a formal or heartfelt one. When used as an interjection, it's a way of saying goodbye, often with a sense of finality or in a rather poetic manner. Word history. The term adieu has an interesting etymology. It entered the English language in the 14th century, borrowed from French. The French phrase adieu, meaning to God, was shortened to adieu. Originally, it conveyed the sentiment of commending someone to God upon parting. Antonyms. While adieu doesn't have direct antonyms, we can consider words related to greetings or arrivals as its opposites. These might include hello, welcome, or greetings. Synonyms. Some synonyms for adieu include farewell, goodbye, au revoir, and valediction. For a more formal or literary context, you might use words like parting or leave, taking. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use adieu in various contexts. In a literary piece, you might write, "The old man bid his homeland a final adieu as the ship sailed towards distant shores." In formal correspondence, "I must now bid you adieu, as my duties call me elsewhere." In everyday speech, though less common, she dramatically cried adieu and exited the room, leaving everyone in stunned silence. Common errors in use. When using adieu, it's important to avoid some common mistakes. First, remember that adieu is typically used for more formal or poetic goodbyes. Using it in casual situations might sound pretentious or out of place. Second, be careful with its pronunciation. It's not do, but do. Lastly, while it can be used in the plural form adieus, it's more common and generally more accepted to use the singular adieu even when addressing multiple people. To wrap up, adieu is a sophisticated word that can elevate your vocabulary in formal writing and speech. Its French origin and poetic connotation make it particularly useful in literary contexts or formal farewells. Remember, in IELTS, showcasing a diverse and nuanced vocabulary like this can significantly boost your score, especially when used appropriately and in context. So, next time you're crafting a formal goodbye in your writing task or looking to impress in your speaking test, consider employing this elegant term.